Run into these dudes.
You ran. You gotta run.
Oh,
yeah,
run.
Run. Use the SMG.
Corner,
no.
Use the corners.
Yeah, use the corner. Yeah, off the edge of it. Yep.
Yeah, but don't open your. Oh, okay.
I'm trying to get a right step.
That's crazy watching you.
We're both.
Up behind me.
I'm dropping down.
Team is KIA. It's up to you now. Taking fire!
Yeah, get shit on, buddy. Get shit on, buddy.
Yeah, you're popping off right now. This is your game. This is your world.
What do you hear, boy? Car behind us?
Oh my god, I can't get out there, dude.
I got him. Oh, there's another one. I got them both.
I will watch you die for that day.
I ran him over with his own whip.
They're still watching you or no?
Nah.
You close that door. Let's stay there.
Oh, what the fuck? He's on me.
Frag out.
Got both.
So there they
Oh
are.
my.
Contact.
This should
Hey,
be
someone's
looted.
here with me. Someone's here with me.
For real?
Is it kid? Yeah, I heard it walking.
Dude, swim upstairs. One down. I got them both.
God damn.
I will pilot this.
Fuck, I couldn't get him. He kept hiding. Hostile dropping into the area. What? The bounty target is down. Well done.
Yep. Fucking pussy.
This side. Yeah, you should do it on this side.
Yeah, corner
Cancel
to
that.
corner, and don't open up your parachute. Just jump, and then it's like you're gonna.
Use your SMG.
Yes.
We're out of time. Scrub the contract.
This nigga's on athletic as hell.
Back off. Keep coming.
Go closer, you suck.
There, he's there. He's outside.
Rocket out.
I got him.
Outside.
Nice.
Someone else was shooting us, bro.
Yeah, someone else.
I got eyes on him. Last is right here.
Hello, motherfucker. Yo, his boy's out. To your left, Jerry. Oh, Jerry, right from me. Hello, motherfucker.
Yeah, the soul.
Hey, just wrecked them fools. No one held back. The other one's pushing right in front of you. Now the other one's going.
Objectives updated. To the next location.
I got two down in here, two different teams.
Stop pushing, guys.
Two dead. I'm dead. Ooh, let's go.
No, I got you. Baby.
Enemies in the area.
No, Jose, come on. You
What?
Grenade out!
Down low.
Shooting at me!
Taking shots.
I'm pushing that.
I got two down in here.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Is he on the roof?
There you go. I got him.
I downed him.
I cracked him.
The other one's under you.
Holy shit, that's it, come on.
Christ, he's on
Watch this.
your corner.
LAPD!
Fire!
Yeah, I broke through the window.
Hey,
What guns you have? Use your SMG. Oh.
parachute.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Oh, this boy's in the bush.
One down.
Fuckers! Fix yourself up.
You down him?
No, I got him, so there's another guy.
Don't try to run him over. I got him. Got them both.
There's another guy that was here.
No, I killed him. Alright, I hear him pushing. That's the exchange. I got one. Flash.
Grenade out!
I got him. I downed him. I got them both. Got them all. I got them all.
Gas is moving.
You're good.
I fucked those guys up, bro. Nasty. Hey, Kevin, good exchange. We're dancing with them right for a little bit.
They're shooting!
He's dead?
Man.
Yeah, team white?
No.
I'm not dead yet.
Oh, it's Claymore's right.
Oh, got my ass. Oh, his boys are dead! Fuck, we're dead.
Wow, he did that with an AK, dude?
Nope. Let's go!
You got him?
He let me res.
I'm not dead yet.
Wow. Oh, wow. That's wild.
Your teammates in the
wild.
gulag. If they survive, they can redeploy.
Come on, stay with it.
Teammate has been cleared for redeployment.
I got them both, dude. Dude, I just fucked those kids up.
Move in position.
You trash. Trash. Give me that shit, bitch. That's what the fucking... That's what the fuck we about over here! But I have Daddy too if you keep shots on him. No, go for the res, go for the res.
That's his gun, that's his gun.
I downed him.
Allied cluster strike inbound.
That's and go.
I got them both.
Decent.
Yeah, no one's up here.
He's up there. No, he's up there. He's up there.
No, he's not. Where?
You've got gas moving
Somebody
in.
on
I got him. Go.
No sweat.
Friday.
I don't know, yeah.
I got him all.
Yep. Right underneath there. Hi, how are ya? Oh shit.
I stuck one.
Fire over here!
I downed him. I got them both.
I was just making sure they weren't coming up, bro.
Yo, there's plates down here. I just picked up a satchel. I dropped the rest. I didn't pick up any. There's plates.
Got it right now.
I got Tito's last time.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
Alright, we're definitely gonna go that way.
Hold on. I want to see Panch make this jump.
Yeah.
God. Oh, wow. Fucking A. This guy.
I couldn't open my shoe. And then I couldn't open my shoe. I was fucking falling against the building. It wouldn't give me the
Are you
option.
watching this, Anthony? Oh.
Give me
Why did